Welcome to the top best. The best welding helmet is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any welder, shielding your eyes and face from the intense light and harmful radiation produced during welding. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of welding helmets, exploring the features that matter most, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep you safe and comfortable while you work. Number 5. YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This welding helmet uses blue light blocking technology to protect your eyes. It filters out harmful blue light while allowing less harmful light through, ensuring comfort and safety during long welding sessions. The helmet is suitable for various welding processes, including TIG, MIG, MMA, and grinding. It has a wide shade range and can accommodate magnifying lenses for detailed work. Enjoy a clear view with the helmet's true color technology and upgraded optical clarity. This feature improves visibility and reduces eye strain, enhancing your welding experience. With two arc sensors, the helmet darkens quickly, in just 1/30,000th of a second. It also has adjustable sensitivity and delay controls, ensuring optimal performance in any lighting condition. Powered by solar panel technology and a replaceable lithium battery, the helmet offers a long service life. The solar panel converts harmful arcs into energy, promoting both longevity and environmental protection. The helmet meets safety standards and is designed for comfort and durability. Its pivot-style headgear ensures a secure fit and balanced weight distribution, making it suitable for all-day wear. It's also designed for easy operation, making it beginner-friendly. What we like. This helmet's blue light blocking technology is a game-changer, protecting your eyes from harmful rays. It also provides a true color view, making it easier to see your welds. If you're looking for a helmet that prioritizes eye health and clarity during long welding sessions, this is the one for you. What people say. This welding and grinding face shield is high quality, well made, easily adjusted for head fit comfort, and comes with extra battery and both lens protection plastic covers. It quickly darkens, and the recovery time for it to go clear again has plenty of adjustment. Shade darkness is easily set with your left hand, and the knob is on the outside. The shade control also can lock the shade to clear for grinding. Very slick, although I probably won't use it for grinding. Number 4. YESWELDER Blue Light Blocking Welding Helmet. Introducing the YESWELDER Welding Helmet, designed with advanced blue light blocking technology. This feature filters out harmful blue light, ensuring your eyes are protected during those long welding sessions. This allows you to work comfortably and safely. This helmet is versatile, with a wide shade range suitable for various welding processes like TIG, MIG, and more. It even accommodates magnifying lenses for detailed work. This makes it a great choice for different types of projects. Experience a true color view with the large 3.93 by 3.66 viewing area and upgraded 1111 optical clarity. This feature improves visibility and reduces eye strain. You'll see your work more clearly than ever before. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, this helmet provides ultra-fast switching at 1/30,000th of a second. It also features adjustable sensitivity and delay controls for optimal performance. This ensures quick and reliable protection. Powered by solar panel technology and a replaceable CR2450 lithium battery, this helmet is built to last. The solar panel converts harmful arcs into energy, promoting both longevity and environmental friendliness. It's a sustainable choice for your welding needs. The pivoting headgear and breathable padding offer a comfortable, adjustable fit, reducing neck strain. Constructed with reinforced PP materials, it's designed for exceptional durability. It combines professional-grade performance with a competitive price. What we like. With its large viewing area, this helmet offers an expansive view of your work. The true color view enhances visibility, and the wide shade range makes it versatile for various welding processes. If you are a professional welder who needs a clear and comprehensive view, this helmet is a great choice. What people say. The helmet is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The auto darkening feature works flawlessly, providing excellent visibility during welding. The adjustable headgear ensures a secure and customized fit for different head sizes. Number 3. TOOLIOM Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This welding helmet features a large viewing area, measuring 3.94 by 3.27 inches. This provides a clear and expansive view of your work, enhancing precision and reducing eye strain. It has 4 ARC sensors. Experience superior clarity with true color technology. This feature ensures a more realistic view of your welds, improving control and accuracy. The optical classification is 1111. The M800D welding lens offers versatility with weld, grind, and cut modes. You can easily switch between shade 9 to 13 for welding, shade 5 to 9 for cutting, or shade 4 for grinding. This makes it suitable for various tasks. Enjoy customized comfort with delay and sensitivity adjustments. These settings allow you to fine-tune the helmet to your specific needs and preferences. It ensures optimal performance in different environments. The package includes the welding helmet, a replaceable battery, 2 replacement outer lenses, a replacement inner lens, and a user manual. Everything you need is included to get started right away. It is ready to use. What we like. This helmet features a large viewing area and true color technology for enhanced visibility. It also offers multiple modes for welding, cutting, and grinding. If you like a versatile helmet that can handle various tasks, this is the perfect option. What people say. Super easy to use, and after lots of use over the past few days, I can tell you that I can now actually see what I'm welding on without fear of burning my eyes. Works great and the price was good. It is nice and clear and makes welding a snap when you can see what you're doing well. I have never had one that is this comfortable to wear and has such a large view. The quick change lens works perfectly. The headband feels like your mother is cradling your head. The design will keep it on your head in any position. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN Welding Helmet, Large Viewing Screen. This welding helmet offers a large viewing screen, providing a clearer and more realistic view. The advanced true color technology enhances efficiency and precision during your work. With 4 ARC sensors, this helmet switches from light to dark in a fraction of a second. You can easily adjust the shade and sensitivity for different welding tasks. Powered by solar cells and replaceable batteries, this helmet is built to last. It's made from high-quality PA material, ensuring it's shock, heat, and wear resistant. Weighing only 1 pound, this helmet is designed for all-day comfort. The adjustable headband and breathable padding provide a perfect fit, even during long welding sessions. This helmet features a smart filter with automatic UV-IR protection. It effectively filters harmful light, safeguarding your eyes in various welding environments. What we like. This helmet boasts a large, clear screen and fast auto-darkening for optimal performance. The comfortable design ensures you can wear it all day without fatigue. If you are looking for a balance of clarity, speed, and comfort, you should consider this one. What people say. Very clear and easy on the eyes. Hitting the grinding switch lets me go back and forth easily between grind and weld. Quick darkening and adjustable to my darkness preference. Number 1. TRQWH HS01 Welding Helmet. This welding helmet features advanced true color technology. It improves visibility by reducing the traditional lime green color, allowing a true view of the weld seam and work area. It also includes a USB port for the rechargeable LED light, making it easy to weld even in the dark. Made of high-quality PP material, this helmet is impact-resistant, flame-resistant, and tough. It meets safety standards and uses solar cells and replaceable lithium batteries for long life. The solar cells absorb arc light, extending battery life, and the lithium battery is replaceable. The helmet is ergonomically designed for comfort and ease of use. It has adjustable knobs for angle and headband tightness to fit different head sizes. It's lightweight with a thickened sponge on the forehead and ear area for sweat absorption, anti-slip, and breathability, ensuring comfort during long work hours. This helmet has adjustable delay and sensitivity settings for different welding scenarios. It switches from light to dark in 1/20,000 seconds with 2 ARC sensors. The auto-darkening filter blocks 99% of harmful light to protect your eyes. This helmet is excellent personal protective equipment for various applications. It's suitable for plasma cutting, grinding, and different welding processes like TIG, MIG, and MMA. It's popular in metal fabrication, welding schools, automotive, and DIY projects. What we like. This helmet provides a true color view, reducing eye strain and improving weld visibility. It also includes a built-in light, making it ideal for working in dark environments. If you have to work in low-light conditions, this helmet is the perfect solution. What people say. I do like the light on it as well. It comes with replaceable batteries and they are Panasonic brand, no crap. I love the one knob on the outside to control whether you're on different shades or grind mode. It's simple, not stupid or clunky. I've used it enough to know that it protects my eyes. It's never failed to switch ever. Headlamp has multiple functions and is USB chargeable. Does a great job at darkening when it should and staying clear when it should. Headbands is adjustable and resizable. Batteries seem to last and comes with extras. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.